My blade. Did I do it right?
Great, yeah.
What's up, guys? It's McGuire here. We're in Chattanooga at the River Jams. We're doing some competitions down at the bottom of the Tennessee River. We've got high diving right here and some sick jumps right here. I'm on my rollerblades right now, having a great time, just enjoying the community. Way over here, we do have kayakers going down a huge ramp into the river as well, but super fun. Check this guy out.
Yeah, Austin.
Oh man!
Let's go!
See that? Dude, he's so fast. Behind us, we've got whitewater rafting into the river off a huge jump.
All right, Victoria, are you ready? Let's make some noise for Victoria, everybody. Send it. Sorry, like it. All right, you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it.